Do you see any movements in this frame? Obviously, I'm moving here. Now, do you notice any movements? It is hard to guess, right? Now, let me turn on my secret sauce. Here you can see all the movements happening in this frame, including the movements of the cloud. Now, can you spot the ants in this frame? Now? Easy, right? Now it is me climbing up the rock. First movement easily noticeable. Now with some change in parameters, you can see the slow changes. Can you spot any mosquitoes here? Now you all are wondering how you can achieve this effect. It is pretty straightforward. This process is called motion extraction. First duplicate the clip you want to put the effect in. Then invert the color of the above clip. I use DaVinci Resolve, but you can do it in any editing software. Next decrease the opacity to 50% and shift the above clip by some frames. For fast changes, shift it by 2 to 3 frames, and for slow changes, shift it by larger frames like 1 second or more, depending on your footage obviously. Remember, you can always play with the parameters for your desired look. I hope you like my tutorial, and if you face any issue, the comment section is always open for you, and a sub to this channel would be really rewarding.